In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to change all fonts at once in Figma. If you're working on a big file, updating fonts one text layer at a time is tedious. The quickest way is to use a plugin that can find every font in your selection and swap them all in one go. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few tips so you get clean, consistent results. First, open your Figma file or design where you want to update typography. With the file open, look for the Action or Resources button in the interface. Click that to open the panel, then choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access tools that extend Figma's capabilities and help you automate repetitive work. In the search field, type Change Font. You'll see options related to font management. Click on Fonts Changer to open it. This plugin is designed to scan your selection, list the fonts it finds, and replace them with the font you pick, saving you from hunting through every frame. Before you run anything, select the scope of what you want to change. On the canvas, select all the frames you want to affect. You can drag to marquee select or use multi-select if that's faster. Once you've got everything highlighted, right-click on the selection, go to Plugins in the context menu, and click Fonts Changer again. Opening it from the selection ensures the plugin scans only what you chose, not the entire file. Inside Fonts Changer, you'll see the fonts detected in your selection on the right. Select all of them so every instance is included. On the left, pick the single font you want to use as the replacement. This tells the plugin to swap every selected font to that one choice all at once. When you confirm the change, the plugin will process your selection and update the text layers accordingly. A few quick tips as it runs. Make sure the replacement font is available in Figma so there are no missing font warnings. If you're using local fonts, the desktop app ensures full access. After the swap, spot check key screens to confirm weights, line heights, and spacing still look right. If anything feels off, use undo to revert and try a different weight or size pairing that better matches your original styles. This approach works especially well when your file is organized into frames or sections, because you can target exactly what needs changing without touching the rest. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.